So I'm going to talk a little bit about what I'm doing to try and increase cash flow in my business. This is also part 2 to a video that I already recorded. Check it out. Really working hard this year on selling tractor work. It's tough. It's been a tough market. I know once I get in the market, like big time, it's not gonna be so difficult to do. Bush hogging and like redoing gravel driveways is really the direction I'm trying to go towards, because that's something the tractor can do the work and not my body. Wide area mowing is another field I'm trying to get into. This year I've sold a lot of wide area mowing, so it's been kind of nice selling that wide area mowing, because you don't really spend much of any time trimming. You know, you may go around the perimeter of the house, the perimeter of the property. It may take you 10-15 minutes to trim, and you spend like an hour on a mower. But I'm kind of in the same situation I was last year, where, you know, I'm good with equipment, but I could definitely use a 72-inch mower. So I'm exploring that option right now. So that's a possibility for me, but that doesn't really help with cash flow when you have to go out and invest in more equipment. Never ending. And I'm the type, I calculate, see if it's something I really need to do. Is it really worth it? Does it really shave off that much time? We'll put that in the next video. But yeah, aeration. I'm gonna explode on aerations. That's gonna be huge. I'm really gonna explode in aerations moving forward. Like, I want this to be my biggest year yet. I'm starting to advertise now. If I could sell, like, my goal is I'm gonna set it for 150. Just to set it for 150. You know, even if I don't get 150, as long as I, you know, reach the financial goal number that I'm trying to hit, I'm okay with that. But I'm gonna just put the number at 150, because I look at it like this: I can knock out 20-25 aerations with that Stinger. You know, and then having the LA5 for some of those smaller gates, I should be able to knock out 20-25. You know, if I can do that, especially on Fridays, and, you know, depending on what my kids' game schedules are, I might be able to do that some Saturdays, and maybe run out and do 15 more. You know, we're talking about usually a 1 month, 4 to 6 week window when it comes to aerations. Really, you get about 2 months, because out here you can start like in August on that. But I'm working hard on that. My curbside leaf removal, I got to explode in that. But I do got to tear into my the breeze loader. As you know, I got the Turf Solutions, aka the WeBang, the breeze loader that I got through SLE when I got my 36 and my stand-on blower. So basically, to sum that one up, my the breeze loader, towards like pretty much the whole, I would say 75% of leaf season last year, every time I used the breeze loader, I had to start it with starter fluid, which tells you right away you got a carb problem. So I tried cleaning with just seafoam, you know, about me taking the carb out, cleaner, fill additives. And the reason why I tried to do all that is because my the way they have that carb on there, it's a Chinese made version of another engine on there, which that makes sense. Basically, it's a knockoff version is what I'm trying to say. Not so much Chinese made, because half our engines are nowadays. But anyways, it's a knockoff version to where the carb is in. You gotta basically take apart the engine to get to the carburetor on that thing, and I'm not really with it. I mean, I could do it, but it's a pain. I almost rather, like, I'm debating on, because it's a great running blower. It's a real great running debris loader. But due to those design flaws, I guess I'm debating on selling it and just kind of upgrading my debris loader. Especially being a one-man operation. Once again, it is a great debris loader. It's just, I'm looking at what's best for a one-man show at this point in time. Also exploring going to the bigger stand-on blower like the FB3000, which I didn't get last year because the FB1000 fits in gates better. But I got more so wide open properties this year, and that's pretty much all I've been targeting. And the more power I would get with that 3000, I feel like I could utilize that more. How to sell the FB1000. I'm debating on all these things, but these are things that I'm thinking about to increase cash flow. Commercial snow, I'm still sending them contracts out. Where snow is not something you can rely on around here anymore. So these are all things that I'm working on at the moment. I'm just gonna have to see what's best, honestly. I'm gonna have to see what's best. Treatments, I've been trying to increase my treatment route. It's been a little tough to do that, but I'm trying to increase that to where maybe I have 150 just lawn application clients, because with the applications I have now, I would have to say I have 25 to 30 on the lawn application route. And that's just it's not profitable enough. Basically paying for materials at that point to make people's lawns look good. And I need to make them more profitable. And the best way for me to do that, as you know, when it comes to treatments, you're only doing it like every 4 weeks minimum. So you got to make that more profitable service really by getting more clients. So that's something I'm working hard on. And these things that I have to do right now, and I have to excel at real quick, so that we can increase cash flow. And I have to do it. I know it, so I'm working hard. I'm up till like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, still trying to send out quotes right now. I'm hungry to get it done. Alright, let me know what you do to increase your cash flow.